What is a BOLO? I get the question a lot in my comments, so I really wanted to break down the definition because when you're starting out, everything is so hard. There's so many acronyms to learn. You have to... Oh, I just hit my hourly goal. There's so many acronyms to learn. There's so many terms to learn. There's brands to learn. There's sell-through rates. There's the reseller formula. A BOLO literally means be on the lookout for. So you want to be on the lookout for this item. You want to be on the lookout for that item. That is a BOLO. So this is a BOLO. That's a BOLO. That is what that is. You want to be looking for it. So I would say this ninja pitcher is a BOLO. The ninja pitcher lid is a BOLO. This Toshiba DVD VCR combo is for sure a BOLO. Hokas are a BOLO. If you can get them at a good price or a really good BOLO. So that's basically what a BOLO is. Be on the lookout for it. You want to look for it. But remember, even though we say it's a BOLO, comp it out before you check out, because that video might have been made 6 months ago and it's for sure not a BOLO anymore. That's where sell-through rates come in. That's where the reseller formula comes in. So if you want to know more about the sell-through rates, go check out my video on sell-through rates. If you want to know more about the reseller formula, go check out my video on the reseller formula. And if you want to know how to boost up your sales, especially if you're a newer seller, go check out that video where I tell you guys what I did, what I personally did to boost up my sales. So that's basically what a BOLO is. You want to be on the lookout for it. But yes, it's a BOLO, but come before you check out because you never know what the markets are doing nowadays. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments. I love to answer all my questions. I'll be glad to answer them. Love you guys.